This video shows you how to find assets quickly in IBM Watson Knowledge Catalog inside IBM Cloud Pak for data. If you haven't worked with Watson Knowledge Catalog yet, you may first want to watch the overview in the IBM Cloud Pak for Data Learning Center. There are different ways to access a catalog. On the home page, the Quick Navigation section has a link to explore catalogs. You can also get here using the left navigation under the Organize section and view all catalogs. Another way is using global search. Say you want to search for auto throughout the Cloud Pak for Data system. You can use the filters to find just data assets. You can see all of these data assets are in the Education catalog, and they are related to auto. Here's the Education catalog. On the Browse Assets tab, you can see Watson Recommends. The more you use the catalog, the better the recommendations. Or you can view highly rated assets and recently added assets. And below is the list of all the assets. A catalog can contain data assets from a local source, connections to an external data source, such as DB2 Warehouse or Cloudant, and data assets that are stored in those external connections. You can filter the catalog assets by type. Here you see two connections to external data sources. Viewing the Cloudant connection, notice the Global Connection tag. This tag is automatically added to any connection that was defined at the Cloud Pak for Data system level. The other connection for DB2 Warehouse doesn't have that tag because it was added directly to this catalog by a catalog collaborator. You can also filter by source. For example, if you want to see the connected assets that are stored in the Cloudant or DB2 Warehouse data source. You can preview the data and see the connection source and type information. And you can refresh the data to get the most up-to-date data from the external source. You can type a search term to find assets, and then further refine the results with the tags filter. When you view an asset, you get a preview of the data and other information like a description, the format for the asset, business terms, tags, ratings, and any classifications. From here you can download the asset, or if you want to work with the asset in an analytics project, you can add this asset to a project. Just select the project name and click Add. On the Access tab, those with permission can add members to view this particular asset. This only applies to assets that are marked as private. And the Review tab shows reviews from other collaborators and lets you contribute a review. When assets are added to a catalog with data policies enabled, Watson Knowledge Catalog automatically profiles and classifies the content of the asset based on the values in those columns. The Profile tab contains more detailed information about the inferred classifications. You can see the other possibilities for classifying each column and the confidence scores for those other possibilities. On the Lineage tab, you'll see the various events that Watson Knowledge Catalog has captured that occurred in the life cycle of this data asset, allowing you to trace what's happening to the asset since it was created. Now you can find the business-ready data you need using Watson Knowledge Catalog. Find more videos in the IBM Cloud Pak for Data Learning Center.